Okay, today we're making Baigan Choka, and we have 3 eggplants, a quarter onion, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna cut them lengthwise like this. Just a slit down the middle. We're gonna put a clove of garlic inside. Okay, so we're gonna wrap it in foil. We have the stove on medium heat and we're gonna roast it like that. So we're gonna rotate these. Nope. The garlic fell out. So it's been cooking for about 30 minutes and it's hot, and this is what it looks like. We added the eggplant, the onion, the garlic, and the pepper, and we're just gonna mash it up as best as we can. It smells amazing. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt. Okay, for the eggplant choka, we put a tablespoon of oil in a pot, and we're gonna fry a little bit more onion. So we're frying the onion for the eggplant choka. A tablespoon of onion. Alright, we're putting it right in there. You can definitely taste like the roasted flavor. I actually really like it.